Now coming back to our notebook, here we have a simple script to demonstrate how exactly temperature works. Here we have example logit values. Assume that we have got these values from the model's final layer. Then we have the softmax function, which helps us to calculate the final probability values from this logits. Then here we are setting the temperature. Right now the temperature is 1. And the very first step, we have to divide each and every logit values by the temperature. Right now we are dividing it by 1. So there won't be any changes in the output. So the output will be as same as the original logit values. Then we are applying softmax function on the scaled logit values. And we are printing the probability of each and every tokens. Then we are visualizing the probability distribution. Now, when the temperature is 1, let's visualize the probability distribution. Here you can see each and every token gets almost equal probability. And here we have a script to simulate the sampling process. So here you can see we have all the possible tokens. Okay, right now we have 10 possible tokens. And we're going to randomly pick one token from this distribution. And we are going to repeat this process 100 times. So in NumPy, we have a function to do random sampling. Here you have to pass all possible tokens and how many times you have to randomly pick a token. Then what is the probability of each and every token. So what we are trying to do here is we are setting temperature to 1. Then 100 times we are going to get output from the model for the same input. We will take an input, we will call the model 100 times and we will see the output. Let's do that. As you can see here, almost 12 times we are getting token 1 as output out of 100 times. And 16 times we are getting token 2 as output. And 4 times we are getting token 3 as output. So when the temperature is 1, every time we are getting different token as output. Now, if we reduce the temperature, let's say now the temperature is 0.01. Now look at the probability distribution. Token 5 dominates all other tokens. And if we randomly pick one token from this distribution 100 times, most of the time we will get token 5 as output. And if we reduce the temperature even further, then every time we will get token 5 as output. So this is how reducing temperature gives us the same response again and again, and increasing temperature gives us different response every time.